Hi, I'm Nyjah, and in today's video, I'm going to be bringing you along with me during my packing situation. I organized so many things to make this video, and now I low-key want to clock out because I'm tired. I saw this post on Instagram. And it said, sometimes your body's not tired, it's your soul. And that hit deep because I spent 48 hours knocked out. My sister called me, my dad was calling me, everyone, you know, my family texting me, Nyjah, what is going on? Are you okay? It's been 2 days, we haven't heard from you. Now I'm ready to go on my little hot girl getaway with my sister. I'm so excited to see my sister. It's been almost a year, and if you are someone who has their sister as their best friend, you know how hard it is to be away from your girl. So I have a couple things that I purchased for this little getaway, and that is a bathing suit from Unika Swim. What I love about this brand is it's sustainable fashion, sustainable swimwear, and it's custom swimwear. And then I have this little bag, and I got this dress from Nyjah that I'm gonna wear when me and my sister go out. I really like what they did with the logo here, how it's a minimalist design that's put onto the dress, part of the cutout. I'm bringing a couple sunglasses with me and of course my camera so I can capture some great moments. I have this fuzzy bucket hat as well, and then I'm going to be bringing this skirt from Jagger Stone. And then I'm bringing this cardigan as well in case it gets a little chilly. You can check Aritzia out and see if they still have this cardigan online and see if there's different colors. I believe that they do, but don't quote me on that. Some denim, and then I have my sleeping basics as well. Of course, a trench coat. I'm bringing a bunch of workout clothes because I need to start getting back on my workout grind. It's been almost a year since I've worked out and my bones are cracking every time I stretch. Oh my gosh. Whew. And I actually need to go to a chiropractor now that I think of it. I was so scared to go to a chiropractor because it looks like they're just gonna, well, they are, but it looks like they're gonna kill you. And anyways, I need to start working out again. So I'm bringing workout clothes to hopefully get motivated when I look inside my luggage. I'll let you know how that turns out. I have this little hollered one from Pretty Little Thing. You have to get double-sided tape if you want to wear this because this slides up all the way. This top is slightly problematic. And then I have this basic long sleeve, and this illuminates in the dark so people will see when I'm walking during the night. I also have in my essentials just a white bodysuit, and then just like other bodysuits, kind of same vibes as these, just in gray, black, neutral, and then the white. I'm supposed to put all of this in a duffel bag when I'm coming back because my sister is gonna be taking my suitcase, and I don't think that's gonna work out. Because I'll be there for 2 weeks, which this is an appropriate amount of clothes in 2 weeks for sure. Maybe I'm bringing too much. I don't know if I'm overpacking. I'm bringing a pair of boots, of course, and some sandals. These are Vagabond sandals, super comfy. Nike Shox up in this. And then I have these braided heel sandals for my dresses and going out downtown. Over here I have some Toiletry Essentials. I have things like floss, makeup wipe pads, kind of cotton pads. I have these exfoliating gloves for the shower. Of course, my sunscreens. These are my two favorite sunscreens because they're oil-free and they work amazing. This is the Shiseido Clear Stick UV Protector. If you don't have this, go get this. It's the best thing in the world. It gives me a certain type of glow that I can't even explain. One that primer setting sprays, anything like that does not give me. So I highly suggest getting this. It's 50+ wet force. I put this on my eyelids, down my neck. I don't use it on my chest because I like using this one, and this won't give you any acne on your chest. Okay. And it won't leave a purple cast for us black girls looking out here like the gross sisters. It's the Hawaiian Tropic Hydration Weightless 30 SPF. Boom. Okay, I highly suggest this. Should I do a tester? No. I'm bringing some of my favorite lip products as well. I repurchased this today, and it's the Burt's Bees Conditioning Lip Scrub, which is the bomb, and the Laneige lip mask. Sometimes I wear it as a lip treatment for the day, but for the most part, before I go to bed, after I use this, your lips will feel so smooth. I have my 3 favorite palettes at the moment, and oh, sorry, not this one. This is the James Charles, which actually still, like, low-key is my favorite palette. No. We're not gonna talk about it, but this palette, and at Sephora, it's 50% off with Morphe. Now's the time to get it, I'm not even gonna lie. The Jackie Aina Beverly Hills. These have the perfect everyday wears. Obviously, some of these more vibrant ones might be more of a look type of a night, but everything on this side of the palette can be an everyday face beat that isn't doing the most. It doesn't take a lot of effort to make a face beat out of that half of the palette. This one's by Morphe. Love this if I'm looking for any neutral colors or if I'm trying to do something that is glam. These are going to be the makeup, skincare go-tos, and then I have my basic face wash. And every time I go on vacation, I do wash my brushes, which I need to do tonight. I have so much to do. And I waited, no, I wouldn't say I waited until the last minute, but I've been so busy I didn't have time until now. And my makeup kit that isn't big enough, I need to get one that can actually fit everything in here. That's not gonna work out for me. But Tide to Go stick is a must. When you travel anywhere, even every single day, this is in my purse all the time. Benadryl, Tide to Go stick, nail brush, toothbrush holder, toothpaste, Reactin. So my sister has a cat. I love cats so much, but I'm allergic. So I'm gonna be taking a Reactin. These are the 2 bathing suits I'm bringing. I was debating bringing a 3rd one that's a full piece, but perhaps not. I'm gonna stick to the little thong bathing suits. Don't at me when you see me, you know? And of course, my laptop, that comes everywhere with me. My camera's gonna be coming with me.
And that is it for what I'm packing. It's time to take the Via Rail, and I'm taking y'all with me.
Oh my god, I look crazy. This is my breakfast.
The man behind me was watching me, so I decided to stop talking to myself on the train. But this is the breakfast that I had, and the coffee tastes like garbage. But I wanted to talk to you about the Via Rail because this is my 2nd time taking it, and I really enjoyed it. It's super spacious. They're so strict about the COVID regulations, where if you're eating food or drinking coffee, you have to take your mask off and then put it back on each time you take a bite or a sip. It was quiet, it was calm, and it took about 5 hours. Depending on the ticket you book, it might take 7 hours. But yeah, I think you should switch to Via Rail if you're trying to go between Montreal and Toronto because it's so much cheaper. I paid $150 to go there and back. Just wanted to let y'all know how to save some coin and still travel.
Hi. Oh! Yo, you're rude. You don't like my claws? Did you miss me? You did? Oh my gosh. I've arrived in Toronto. It's been a couple days since I've arrived, but I ended up getting new braids. And these are the butterfly knotless box braids, if anyone is wondering. And yeah, thank you so much for watching me pack to see what I bring when I go on a mini vacation. I hope you got a little bit of inspo from it for your next mini vacation. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and show me love. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.